Hello, class. This section is going to be on trust. And I think it's really important that we understand trust and what that means to all of us. Trust has many different definitions, as we know. And in any organizational behavior setting, if you don't have trust, you don't have much of anything, whether it be between departments, whether it be between individuals, whether it be the organization as a whole. We know how important it is to have trust. Without trust, you don't have loyalty, and that's a given fact. So, your book from page 364 through 369 talks about different types of trust. And essentially there are two types of trust. The first type of trust is going to be relationship type trust. And we call that calculus-based trust. And we're going to talk about that. That's better known as CBT. You can follow all along and read this on page 366 of your text. On 367, we talk about relationship-based or IBD. Relationship-based IBT, that is, identification-based trust. And both forms of those trusts are important. And there are strategies to build and manage trust. And that's what I want you to do, is I want you to read the pages from 360, hold on a second, fingers are getting old, okay, from 365, or actually 364, where there's an introduction to trust, a very good synopsis by Roy Lewicki of Ohio State University. And that's 364 through 368. And I want you on 368 to pay special attention to Table 1, and that's strategies to build trust and manage trust. And the strategies to build and manage calculus-based trust with another party are very important. I want you to read 1 through 5. And then strategies to build and manage IBT, identification-based trust, that's relationship trust, is also extremely important. So I want you to read through that, and that's kind of the overview of what this week is going to be about, in addition to the case I am going to ask you to read on one of the days for your participative discussion, and also your individual essay that is going to be, again, that's 3 to 5 pages, double spaced, with at least 3 references, okay? And that's all going to be on conflict and negotiation. It's a huge chapter, but there are a lot of things that were involved there. One is conflict, the other one is negotiation, and the third component, which we're going to talk about this week, is trust. So your individual assignment and your case studies are going to be based on a lot of those things. So good luck with this week. It's not going to be as a heavy week because you're going to be doing a lot of assignments this week, finishing up your participative discussion from last week, reading over those cases, doing reading a case study. I'm going to assign you one of the days for your participative discussion, which will be participative discussion number 8, your last one, and your last individual assignment worth 100 points, and that is going to be on this chart, on this section as well. So good luck this week, and thank you so much for a great course. I appreciate it.